Yes. You have to feel. Yeah, yeah. You have to touch and you have to feel. Hard, soft, texture.
Okay, there are lots of causes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Not closed. Okay. So, between the pictures, the common is family, right? The uncommon is, which is not common, it is the expression there, happiness, and one is they are happy, they are not happy.
Just use this. This is really a good activity, not activity, a tool, a weapon for a teacher. You can do that. One clap, two clap is also good, but for preschool students, they're not going to listen to that also. They will not.
Then the fruits, not the fruit seller, the fruits. Yes, came into a circle, and the vegetables also came into a circle. And now the boy is going to go in his line. This way vegetables and this way fruits. So one by one, vegetables and fruits are asked the boy questions. We are doing here. This is conscience rally. When we take some decisions or questions from together, 2 lines or something like that, it's conscience
is healthy.
One breath. One breath. One breath. One breath. One. Great.
I should go and see what are the animals in the jungle doing? How do they feel?
Hello friend, do you like parking?
Why?
Oh, he's very good, I like him. Oh, he's very kind.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I must look for my food. I have to fill my stomach today. I have to get my food. Guard,
Yes,
what is this?
King, the lion got devoured.
Please go and call the strong men from the kingdom to come and catch this lion.
Yes, Your Highness. Nom 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 nom. All the people come to catch the lion. Yes, bring them all these things to catch it. Tie it. Think for a while, okay?
Take him to the dungeon.
Okay, great.
Today I'm so proud of my kingdom. God Katho,
Yes,
can you see my kingdom?
yes, I can see.
Yeah, it's very beautiful and very big.
Yeah.
We have lots of animals, birds, and my all citizens are very happy. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, can you show me how far is your kingdom?
Yeah, the vision you can see.
Oh.
Everything is ours. Okay. Okay.
Our king is
Something is going on.
Yeah. He's kind, he will protect us from any harm.
Come. Time to rest.
Oh, the king is away. I've been starving my whole life. I can see some good food there. That looks delicious. Hope it doesn't fly away.
Very nice.
God Katho, what's going on?
Oh, what name is you?
Then what you are doing? Go catch her.
No, forgive me. Master, forgive me. I'm hungry.
No
Master,
forgiveness.
I'm sorry.
Put him behind the bars.
I'm sorry, Master. Please forgive
No
me.
mercy. I will not never tolerate such thing in my kingdom. All are equal, they should live equally. No one can harm each other.
Because all of you are very experienced persons in your field. All are eminent persons in your field, in your topic. And you make us, you help us to enhance our quality. Mr. and me. So, good to meet you all, and I'm really thankful to all of you and the participants. I hope it will work for you to some extent. At least we are able to give you something, at least 1%, right? So, one word I want to know to share the 3 days from you. One word as your experience. In one word, one keyword to express your experience in 3 days. Yes.
Punctuality.
Punctuality. Oh, great.
Time management.
Time management. Yes, ma'am.
Experiential learning.
Experiential learning. 2 words. It's okay.
Engaging.
Engaging. Yes.
Fun.
Fun. Okay.
Energy.
Energy.
Practical.
Practical. Yes, ma'am.
Creativity.
Yes, ma'am.
Creativity. Realistic.
Realistic.
Dynamic.
Sorry.
Innovative.
Innovative.
Dynamic.
Dynamic.
Dynamic?
Expression.
Expression.
No, expressive.
Expression.
Yeah.
Yes. You have to please. Yes, ma'am.
Listening.
Listening. Yes.
Planning.
And for us, challenge. In 2 words, challenge accepted.
It is challenging for me too.
So, thanks to Nerie, thanks to Prachi ma'am also, and Prasant. Yes, really we are working for 7-8 years, but he is always new for me, and the belief, the trust that we have, it brings that energy to work harder. And I am honest, she is honest. And all of you, all your family, all your relatives, all those who have related with you, and we are really thankful to all of them, because of them you are here, family relatives, right? So thank you so much for making our workshop successful.
Thank you.
And you are special.
Thank you.
You are special. You
Thank
are
you.
special. You are
Thank you.
special too. You are
Thank
special.
you.
You are resourceful.
Thank you.
You are
Thank
special.
you.
You are
Thank you.
I'm grateful.
Thank you.
You are special.
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 Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
You
you.
are also special, man.
Thank you. I have not completed. Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
You are also special. Thank you for doing this. Okay.
আমার তরফে আপনার বলে আসলে
Yes.
আজি প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাডাম মুকে ধরি মানে including principal madam, most of the faculties they went outside for some office purpose. Only Pradhan sir and I think Kashif and
Bana.
yes, only 2 of them are present at the time when I went there. And Pradhan sir, I think he was in his own quarter.
Okay.
So supposed to
It's
visit
okay.
us this training program, but from our side, I request Madam Ning to say vote of thanks
On behalf of
on behalf of us.
Okay.
And please.
Immense pleasure to serve and ma'am for having let us understand about dramatization, about so many new vocabularies that we have come across, the ideas, then the elegance of You're drawing out conclusion of new concepts, very simple, but we'll take it home for the benefit of our children at home, which will brighten the future of India. Thank you on behalf of all of us. Thank you so much.
At the last, I just want to say, just say the word, Ami Jao Agwai.
Yes, Ami Jao Agwai.
Let's
It is our motto. Yes, Ami Jao Agwai. I have already patented these 3 words for Sutradhar. This is our institution, Ami Jao Agwai. It is only used by us. We already patent. Okay. So let's move ahead. Yes.
Yeah.
So before that, give your hands like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, up. Shake your hands. Hands here. Hands together. Pass the energy. Ami Jao Agwai. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. Ami Jao Agwai. And hands together. Down, down, up, right hand up, and bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
You have to sign, right?
Yes.
And one more thing, just write the state and contact number here. Okay, and you have to sign it. Ma'am, what is to sign the card system? These 2 are there.